Hey guys, Angus here from Aussie Timber and Tinker. We're going to be working on the guard today for the 66 bug. We've got 2 guards to get through. We're just going to be doing sanding and hopefully some fiberglass work today, and then we'll move on to painting a bit later, maybe tomorrow or the next day. Just depends how much time I have, so we'll see how we go. But yeah, we've just got crack here, a little bit of work to do on the bottom of the fender, fix that part. We'll take this light out, we'll sand all that, get rid of all that shit, do all the same down here, fix this crack down in the corner, and should be good. So there we go. I'll just basically get straight into it. I'm just using one of these, like a palm sander. I think it was 74 bucks. From where was it? Bunnings. So yeah, 74 bucks. I'm just going to use that. Should be able to get into just about everywhere I need, anywhere that's contoured and all that. I've got some pads and some what are they called, like foam pads that are sandpaper, so I'll use those to get into all these spots and remove the lights, like I said. And then this is just for the main part of it, and then we'll try and blend it all in and make it look pretty and fiberglass stuff up. So yeah, I'll get back to you guys in a little bit. So we're going to get into fiberglassing now. Pick these kits up from Bunnings. They're a kilo kit, so they come with a 1 metre squared blanket of fiberglass, and they come with a resin hardener, pair of gloves, a brush, which is pretty crappy, so I grabbed a proper brush. And then also, these are really important. These are for rolling out air bubbles and that in your resin. What it doesn't come with is a proper mixing container, so you might want to grab yourself one of those. Otherwise, yeah, so what we're going to do is we're going to cut this into the size patch we want to fit, you know, this bit here, maybe overlap a bit, maybe even do a full sheet for the first sheet, and then everything else just on top of that. So yeah, I hate working with this stuff. It's never pleasant. Probably wear a mask or a respirator, but shit, I'm dumb, so this is gonna suck. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna cut the sheet first, then I'm gonna get ready to lay it. So I'll pause you guys real quick, cut this, get everything ready, and then I'll bring you back when I start it. By the way, don't mind the speedy glasses. The only pair of safety glasses I could find for some reason. So yes. Right, we're gonna have to get into this pretty quick because I've got a feeling this resin's gonna go off pretty quickly. Stir stick. Come here. Stuff here. Right. Yeah, that's going to go off pretty good. 1 mil to every, 1.5 mils to every 100 mils, depending on temperature. So it could be 2.5, you know, 3 mils. It just depends on the temperature of the day. So yes, account for that. Alright guys, quick update. We've fixed the hole in this guard here. You can say daylight through it, but that's okay. It's got glass fibre in it, so it's all been. It's fully sealed at the back with. It's high. You can't see it, but it is probably 1.5 2 mil tall. Big drop. And then we got that one down there drying. So yes, we're just about to finish. I'm going to fill that up with a few sheets of fibreglass, and we're going to do the same on the other guard as well. So yeah. Hey guys, it's Angus here again. Just wanted to say a massive thank you guys. We reached 125 subscribers this week. It's pretty crazy, kind of cool. Wasn't really expecting to get there that quick. It's been under a year. No, yeah, I don't know. It's been about a year. And yeah, it's just really cool. So just wanted to say a massive thank you to you guys, and see how far we can take it, I guess. But yeah, so we'll keep going with this and get it finished, and yeah, get it painted. Cheers guys. Been a fair few different colours over the years. So this would have been the gel primer that they use on fiberglass, and then it was a yellow kind of colour, and I went to a blue, then I went to a red, then it went to a black. Oh sorry, it went to a red, then it went to baby boot brown, then it went to red again, then it went to black. So yes, it's been a fair few different colours. Well, it's nice and smooth now, so we'll get this one primed up and sand it back. This one's come up alright. I did have to put some bog in it though. We've what do you call it? Had some holes, air pockets in the resin once that's dried, but yeah, everything else is pretty nice. So we'll get all this cleaned up, and then I'll sand that back, and then we'll re-primer that part, sand everything smooth again, and then do the same to that one. Cheers guys.